Today we are doing a short routine that you can do every single day to help your balance. Let's get started. Today we're going to be working on our balance. A recent study published showed that anyone over the age of 50 unable to stand on one leg for 10 seconds was twice as likely to die in the next decade. That shows us how important our balance really is. So this routine is something short that you can include every single day in order to help that balance. And all you need is a chair or a kitchen counter or a bathroom counter or a wall or anything close to hang on to. So we're going to start standing and facing our balance helper here. Have your legs hip distance apart, and I want you to raise up onto your toes and then lower back down. Balance happens when we include many different parts of what's going on, meaning we have strength, we have mobility happening. It includes our eyesight, our vestibular system. So today, this short workout is going to really include kind of all of those things so that you know you are helping your balance going forward. Over time, I want you to work on doing this without holding on to anything at all. Okay, so we're going to do 5 more of these, and I want you to close your eyes and see how it feels to do these with your eyes closed. So it's important when we're working balance long term to take away that visual feedback and just work also a little bit with the eyes closed. Okay, 1 more. Nice job. Still holding on if you need to. Now we're going to bend our knees and come back up. So we're just doing a little mini squat here, and it can be really small. I don't want you to worry about sitting back and down really deep or anything like that. This is more about getting some mobility in the hip and the knees and the ankles. Again, all really important with balance. When you think about when falls happen, a lot of times they'll happen stepping off a curb or going down stairs, that place where our ankles get really stiff and don't give us the mobility we need. So movement like this can help. And then same thing, let's do 5 more and maybe see how it feels with your eyes closed. Again, hanging on as needed. Okay, 3, 2, last one. Nice job. All right, now I'm going to turn to the side. So I'm just holding on with my right hand, and we're going to work the right leg. So my left leg stays down, and what I want you to do is lift that right knee up and back down. Nice. This is important for a few different reasons. This is called a single leg balance, but also we're doing a little bit of weight shifting. We're teaching that left leg how to hold the weight on its own. Okay, 3. And again, if you don't need help, great. This is where I want you to work eventually, where you don't need to hold on. Good job. Other side. So same thing. I'm lifting that knee up just as high as I can to try to get some weight into that right foot. And if you're more comfortable doing this with shoes on, that is completely fine. For this exercise today, I'm fine with that. Wear those tennis shoes if you like having some foot support. If you have any kind of foot injury that just makes it more comfortable to have shoes on, completely fine. Okay, 1 more. Nice job. Now, I want you to do a little march, but we're going to go slow like this. Right leg up, down, left leg. So again, this is really working into that weight shift idea. Okay, and it's simulating what? Walking upstairs, maybe just walking down the street, going side to side. And see if you can think about keeping your posture up and your eyes forward. Try not to look down at your feet when you're doing this. That's going to help us with that balance too. The more we kind of hunch and try to walk like this, the more likely we are to fall. Nice job. Okay, on this one, lift your right leg, stay here. Hold on if you need to, or try not to, and just count and test yourself. That's all you're doing, getting a baseline of how long you can actually hold this. Okay, 3, 2, 1. That was around 10 seconds. And then we'll do the other side. And again, this isn't a single day workout to fix everything. This is the long game. That's what we're looking at, including these every single day to really make balance a priority for yourself. Okay, nice job. Bring it back down. Nice job. Now I'm going back to the right leg and bringing it out to the side. So it looks like this. Okay, so same thing we just did, but instead of going to the back, we're going to the side. Nice job. And 3, 2, 1, other side. So I know we're kind of moving through these quickly, but that is some of the point, is again to teach your body how to shift one place to another. Last 2, 1. Nice job. All right, so we're gonna go back to standing on the left leg, and I'm gonna bring that right knee up and down. So same thing we worked just a moment ago. We're gonna add a piece to it. So you're gonna bring that right foot up and then open it, bring it down and forward. Okay, so I'm lifting it up, I'm opening, lowering, and forward. So it's like I'm drawing these little circles with my hip. This is a lot of hip mobility, okay, which, believe it or not, really good for our balance and just for overall health in those joints. And now switch directions. So I'm lifting it out to the side, forward, and down. And then what you're also doing is building a lot of strength in that standing leg. So we always think about this as, what is my lifting leg doing? But really, the sneaky part, as a physical therapist, what I'm making you do right now, is hold your weight on that left leg. Take a break, okay? So the standing leg is working. That's a big part of balance too. We have to be strong in that standing leg. Then we're gonna switch. So we're just gonna start, left leg is gonna lift and lower. And again, over time, when you're ready, I want you to try not to use this. That's the goal. Your goal is over time, eventually, that you can stand on one leg for 10 seconds without holding on to anything, okay? But here, to work there, see how I'm keeping it close? Okay, now we're gonna go into those circles. So left leg up, open, down, forward. So I'm just keeping it close. So maybe you go fingertips, or maybe you just slowly start to let go. But that's some of the key, okay? Nice job. Switch directions, out to the side, forward, and down. And keep breathing. It's gonna be over eventually. We're getting close. Oh, see, and there I lost my balance a little bit. So I caught it and I come right back. Nice job. Take a break. That's the key. You don't get discouraged. You just come right back to it. Again, this is a long game, okay? We're thinking long-term benefits. All right, let's turn and face our balance helper. One more thing we're gonna work on is a little stretching. So bring the left foot forward. The right foot is gonna come back. And you're gonna bend the left knee, but keep the right heel down, okay? And this too, this is definitely helpful to have something to hold on to, but you don't have to. If you don't have anything available to you, just be right here. But what we're doing is we're stretching the back of the back leg, so your right calf, and just see if you can get the heel down. See if you can straighten the right knee. Have your posture tall. Nice job. Let's go ahead and switch sides. Take as much time as you need. You get the left heel down. Make sure the toes are facing forward. And then lean forward slightly. Bend the right knee. Nice, open, tall posture. One more deep breath. Nice job. Okay, come back. Bring both feet underneath your hips, toes facing forward, shoulders down and back. And then I want you to close your eyes and just see how that feels. If this is a comfortable place for you to be, lift your right knee. And if you need to have your eyes open, go ahead. Right knee down, then left knee. We're just doing a little more work with those eyes closed. So your choice, we're doing some marching. Eyes open, maybe eyes closed. Holding on, maybe not holding on. You can see how this progresses over time. And I keep my hands, I have my eyes closed. My hands are really close to the chair. Really, really close. And if you do have a lot of balance issues or a history of falling, please be safe here. Have someone behind you if you need to, or just don't close your eyes. Just do this with your eyes open, okay? So we're progressively working, but we're also going to work within our boundaries of our bodies and what we need and keeping ourselves safe. That's the most important thing. That's why we're working to help prevent falls so that we can stay safe and independent. So that means working where you need to right now. So if closing your eyes isn't an option, then please don't do it. No big deal. Last one. Nice job. Walk your feet back just a little bit and let yourself stretch forward. One more deep breath in. Nice job. Slowly come back up. Shoulders down and back. And congratulations, you did a great job. Thank you for joining me for that short workout. You can do it every single day, or again, just pick and choose pieces of it to do at your kitchen counter anytime during the day to help your own balance. Meet your body where it is and know that long term you are doing something good for yourself. I'll see you again soon.